Kublai pi paro at ngapediang snobhai pi syakani ke YouTube channel jonga Aloysius Papang. Iambriew barok kawai kari India haka Jingkhlad no jong uwei Riewkhraw jong ka ubala job pat ika dono jong ki babon da ka jing eat ka jinglong ka bas ngawrit bat ki kam ki babha ki jong ubriu ubala kantiu kham shajrong yaka kardan bat ka nam jong kari India haki kam khayi pateng haka yo ka kot lang ba ki kam permi bat sna kali bat tiar kali ki kam le isnei haki babon ki banta bat shibon ki wei pat ki kam ki babha kiba kari kala taimot yu ubriu uba kat kaspa ka kardan ba ka jing paunam ko jong hakani ka Pyrthei hendai ukan tat pat ban jet haka ban yat ban em hakalanti jong ka jing sarong bat ka jinglong bahanga mai ban upendem red ila di hakmat utrai nong bo nong thau tat hadu ka sngi ka bakhado jong ka jing em jong ula jet ban em ya ka jing em ka balong pat ba lang Hatokari India kandang la ni emban penmi syo nang ni syakmat kum ya uni ubriu leni unong shong jongka uba don bat kup ya kajing long ka babha bat ka kordor ya uba ka Pyrthei kan ai tang kajing ya ro ubriu uba ya tenrong lem ya ka khia ka shon jong kari bat ka dait banriu om da ka men sem khwan men toy shimet om da kajing sngo sarong ni jing khmi lanti ban yo nong laisha ya ka ei ka bu ule na ka banta jong kiwei uni Riewkhraw ubala e no sedien ya ka jing em ka batip briu tip lai dang kat bat shikong ki luksa ba ki babha ba ki wei kin perthu bot bat kin mau burom yu shirta udai Ratan naval Tata chairman emeritus barim jong ka Tata group bat ka Tata sons nado usnam khat khanai spa khanai phuwei hado 8000 khat ar bat kum interim chairman ha usnam 8000 khat riu bat 8000 khat nyo ya bo ublei ulakhot no selade ha ka khandai trik urisa 8000 sao hakarta ka phra phundusnam shakjing cha thai bam chukut jong ka bansim khabalai no jong nangni nasla jong ka Pyrthei ya Ratan naval Tata lakha haka arpa pratrik no pra khat khandai spotlight punyo haka nongba Bombay lani ka Mumbai kum bangia tip manta ya ka bala jutip kum kata ka British India manshwa uri khon jong naval Tata hande la ri la sumar ba la penhe pensan pat yu da Ratan ji Tata khon jong Jamshed ji Tata nong seng jong ka Tata group Ratan naval Tata udai khana puli barim jong ka Cornell University College of Architecture haka kadan puli Bachelor of Architect but ulano senyang shakani University hado santo million US dollar but unong senyang bari ubahedo nakajing ais ngobha shakani ka school pa kabu uchupuli menshwa Ratan Tata udai ubri ubashong marway klem khon klem kti namar uklem shongkha wat hado kasngi kajing yap ka jong haka hausnam arajar khatwei Ratan Tata ulakan tho kumni Halor ka kam shongkha shongman jong I came close to getting married 4 times, but each time I back off in fear of one reason or the other. Ngalamut ban shongkha hado sau sin sau what but man bangakantat ban shongkha kan dei bet nakadaw jong kajing shapting ya ka ei ni nakiwei pat kidaw but haka jinglong temen jong udon kajing dei ka bajan bha but uwei ukhna samla ubrang life hostem karta ushantanu naidu ubala pendap ya kajing puli haka engineering but MBA ubalong ro kum personal assistant jong baro armut kiliye kando but ithau tang nakadaw jong uwei uksau surok bala janyam namar baro armut kidei ki be e bha ki ksau but Ratan Tata udon ka wei ka jaka sumar ya ki marat ka ba he bha hakanong ba Mumbai ka bo lo pelut da ki phau hajak lot tengka nakadaw jong ka jingpang temen ka bala ban yu ulukum bakat tu kat nipor la penkit no ya Ratan Tata sa Bridge Candy Hospital Mumbai hakanyaw trik uni ubnay risaw arajar arpo saw harangkat ka condition ka balong serious ba but nakadaw jong ka jingpang dispne ne ka nakabanta banyo ya kajing sumar bapaka bala shupen thia bet yu hapo ka kamra ICU jong ka hospital tat hado ka minute ka bakhado ring man sem bat khlat no chi sendon nakani ka Pyrthei haka khandai trik uri saw arajar arpo saw haka por khatwe shiten men Kum kadak chong ka Jingburam ya uni Riewkhraw ka Sarkar Maharashtra bat ka Sarkar Jharkhand kala penmena ya ka sniap jong ukum ka sni Iambriew habro artali kichala. Dei haka chipotrik jong uriu saw R.I.P saw kata menin la pendep no i ban pen khoj ya kamet ka badang sa jong ulet Ratan Tata bat ya ka jing le nyam thang bakado la pendep harangkat ka state honor ni le buram da ka sarkar bat ka arphwei kan salute na ki sipai hapo worldly grammaterium ya kamet jong u lara harangkat ka ceremonial card of honor bat ya kamet yap jong u latap na lord ka lama lai rong badan buram jong kari India kum ka dak jong ka jing buram yu harangkat ka jing don rangkat jong ki kan rem kilandan ka sarkar India bat ni ki wei ki ri jong ka Pyrthei bat ki pat ba ki ba bon ki ba wan ban ai buram khat do yu kumban syuk penken mam uni Riewkhraw jong kari udai ubara yo apdiang ya shibon teliki kusnam ki bahe jong kari bat ki wei pat ki ri jong ka Pyrthei na ka banta ki kam ki bakraw ki bulale ha ka Pyrthei manba udang em ki bakanthop ya ka award na ka sarkar India kum ka Padma Bhushan hausnam R.I.P Padma Vibhushan hausnam R.I.P pra nang ta ka state award ka bahe do Maharashtra Bhujan R.I.P riu na ka sarkar Maharashtra ka Assam bai bhav R.I.P arphwei na ka sarkar Assam uriyo shibon tali kita ki honorary doctor but ka wei ka dei ka honorary doctor of business administration na ka Ohio State University ka honorary doctor of technology na ka Asian Institute of Technology but ki spa tali ki wei pat ki kusnam na ka lengchong kari ti pat ba ban penkot hanga shimet hi uratan tata udai ubriu ubanga e bat na buram e haka jingim ka jonga kum uta u entrepreneur ni ubetre ya ki kam la jong na ka banta ka jinglong ka babha ka jinglong ka bas ngauret bat ka jing no senyang ka barat ba jong u haki ba bon ki banta shakari bat haki imlang ka salang ya uba ngala ainam kum uta u role model jonga haka por banga ya khon ya ka R.I.P Super Speaker Season 3 Contest bala penyan da ka success gyan bat ngala poi hado ka top 2000 kum ubami khmat ya ka jalami khalia hak te ransan ya khon ba hetam hari India men banga hab ban kren lengkot Halor ka topic bala ai kelum shabaro kinong ya khon Halor ka topic the one Indian entrepreneur who inspired you the most lani uway na kinong krekam la jong India uba aiman sim hayanga but kani ka video ka mga kren shapang jong u ha ka ta ka jing ya kum ka jing ainam ya uni Riewkhraw ulead Ratan Naval Tata. Dear late Ratan Tata ji, may your most precious departed soul rest in peace eternally. Ladies and gentlemen, India produced many successful entrepreneurs like Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata, Narayana Murthy and many more who brought glory to the country in business and economy globally. Well, the one Indian entrepreneur that inspired me the most is Ratan Tata, the former chairperson of Tata Group, a renowned industrialist, a philanthropist, a prolific investor. His business involvements include steel, chemical, automotive industry, engineering and information system. His successful life story had inspired the many and I am one of them. He is the most successful self-made individual who believes in honesty as the best policy in all aspects of his life that make many young entrepreneurs looking up to him for inspiration. Ratan Tata was born into a rich business family, but his humbleness had made him exploring the best possibility to start his own life from the zero level. But with hard work and perseverance, he could build a net worth of more than $20 billion that make him one of the richest businessmen in India. His mother's upbringing, his passions in giving back to the society, his strong desire to transform Indian economy through his business and charitable work had inspired me the most. Being the most successful global business icon and entrepreneur, a philanthropist, Ratan Tata had made a significant contribution for the growth of Indian society, industry and economy. In recognition of that, the Indian government had awarded him with Padma Bhushan in 2000 and Padma Vibhushan in 2008, being the third and the second highest civilian honor in the country. Thank you. Parolok play shibon ya kapor chong pisno ba watlet ban like share comments pat kumjoro ban subscribe ya kadik YouTube channel jonga nakamenta QA pat ki video.